how to start an online business from scratch. How would your life change if you were able to make an extra $1,000 to $10,000 per month online from home working part-time? Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So think about that. How would your life be different if you were able to earn some extra money from home? $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 or more per month from home working part-time hours. How would your life change? Would you be able to quit your job? Would you be able to pay off some debt? Would you have more time to spend with your family? Would you have less financial stress in your life? Think about how your life would change. What would that mean for you and how would that feel? In this video, I really want to show you the exact process that you can use to build that online business from scratch, right from your home. Now, there's a lot of, fake gurus out there who will teach you that it's easy, that you can do this, and that it's just easy, and it doesn't take a whole lot of work. You don't need any experience or any skills or any investment in all of this stuff, right? I'm here to tell you that the process is simple. The process is simple, but that doesn't mean it's easy. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. The overall process is very simple, but actually doing it is difficult. It takes courage, it takes persistence, it takes, fortitude. You've got to be able to kind of have a vision for where you're going. And then from that vision, you basically have to tell yourself that you're going to start and then you're going to keep going and then you're not going to give up no matter what. Because it's through these failures. I just recently heard a quote. There's times when you succeed and there's times when you learn. So failure is not really failure. It's really you're learning, you're growing, you're gaining experience. Also with this quote, there was a stat or kind of like a rule of thumb, which is that successful people have failed more times than beginners have even tried. So why am I telling you this? Well, really, because I don't want you to have an unrealistic expectation of what you can accomplish. Yes, you can build a business online from home that makes $1,000 per month or $5,000 per month or $10,000 per month or even more than that. It is absolutely possible. But keep in mind that you're going to have to put in work to get there. You're going to have to put in some effort. You're going to have to learn some things. The most important thing you're going to have to learn is marketing. You're going to have to learn marketing and sales and persuasion. You're going to need to learn how to build an audience and create a connection with that audience so that they know, like, and trust you. So my goal for this video is to really give you a crash course in online marketing and sales and persuasion that you can use to kind of shortcut your process and get started. So here's the first step in starting your online business from scratch. It starts with understanding that there are people out there who have a need, and then you just got to learn how to fill that need while being able to earn some income doing it. So these people, this is known as a niche market. Your niche market is basically the group of people that you can help, the group of people who have this common need that you can help solve. So start thinking about it. What are some needs that you can solve? What is an area where you have some experience in, some knowledge in, and some passion in? Because in order to create this online business, the method I like to use is content marketing. Content marketing, okay? Which is creating content that's designed to give value to an audience in order to attract that audience to you and then move them through a sales process from there. So the first step is to understand what is a niche that you are passionate about that you can create content on for years to come, but that also is profitable in that there's a big market for it. There's lots of people there who are willing to pay money for a solution to their problems. So finding the intersection between your passion and your profit is essential for growing your online business. Step 2 is that once you know what your niche is, you actually have to go more in depth into that niche and really understand those people, your target audience, your target market. What is it that somebody in your target market needs help with? And what are their fears? What are their struggles? What are the things that they stress about? What keeps them awake at night? What do they worry about? What Like, what is it about this problem that is such a big deal in their lives that they're willing to pay money to solve this problem? Plus, also understanding, where does this person want to go? What is their dream? What is their desire? What do they want to achieve? What kind of pleasure or success or accomplishment do they want to replace that struggle with? Whatever that struggle is over here, that pain point, what do they want to replace that pain point with? What's the thing that they want to move towards? For example, let's take an example here. Say your niche is how to jump higher. This is actually a niche that people are actually making money in right now. How to jump higher. So what's the problem? Why would somebody want to jump higher? Usually it's for something like sports. They want to jump higher to maybe slam dunk a basketball or something like that. So what is the fears? What's the struggles? What's the pain? Is it the pain of, you can't make the team, the pain of being rejected, the pain of feeling like you just don't have what it takes to be a top athlete? And what's the desire? What are they trying to accomplish by jumping higher? Usually it's they want to be an accomplished sports player. They want to maybe be a professional sports player. And so thinking about what is like the mindset of somebody who's trying to learn how to jump higher and why are they trying to learn to jump higher, that'll give you some ideas on how to actually create the content and how to actually speak to that person in a way that's going to resonate with them. Because that's a big part of marketing, is people don't care about you, they care about themselves. And so the question they're always asking is, what's in it for me? What's in it for me? So you've got to be thinking, what's in it for them? And how can you create the content to show them what's in it for them? How can you structure your offers, your sales messages to communicate what is in it for them? You want to personalize the benefits to the person who is going to be purchasing it. And in order to do that, you need to have a good understanding of who your target market is and what it is they really want. Now then, the next step is to actually choose a platform that you're going to be using to get your message out there. And I recommend sticking at first with one platform and mastering that platform. This can be your own blog, it could be a YouTube channel, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, Pinterest, Medium.com. There's so many platforms out there now where you can build an audience, you can build influence, you can get in front of people, and you can spread your message all across the globe because of the internet. So pick a platform, learn about how that platform works, take some time to study it. YouTube, if you're going to do YouTube, figure out, how does YouTube work? How do people discover videos? How do videos take off? What is it that makes YouTube work? And even the community within YouTube, how does that work? What's the community? What's the atmosphere within YouTube? Learn about YouTube and then move on to the next step. And so, which is the next step, is you start producing content. You start producing content that is of value to your target market. So for example, wanting to jump higher, you could do tutorials on how to jump higher. You could do exercises and just different topics on how to actually jump higher and why somebody would want to jump higher. And you just go on different angles on this jumping higher angle. Which maybe jumping higher isn't the best example for this video, but say weight loss. So weight loss would be another great market. And so producing content on weight loss, which could be nutrition, it could be exercise, it could be dieting, it could be mindset, there's all different types of topics within the weight loss target market that you can cover. There's so many different angles to cover it from. So start producing content around these different topics, and you can find topics through keyword research. Keyword research is just the process of identifying keywords that people are already searching for online. And it's really a pretty simple process. I've got some videos on that here on my channel, so you can check it out. But really understanding the keywords that people are searching for and then creating content around those keywords, and then understanding the platform that you're on. So again, for example, YouTube, understanding how to get those videos discovered on YouTube with YouTube search engine optimization and social media marketing and things like that, understanding that. So creating the content, getting the content in front of people, and then from there, the next step is you want those people to become, you want to get them onto your email list. You want to get them onto your email list which really does two things. In order to get onto your email list, they have to kind of raise their hand and say, yes, I want to get on your email list. So you're going to offer something for free. For example, a free recipe book for weight loss, maybe. So this free recipe book for weight loss, you can offer for free in exchange for their email address, and then they get onto your email list. Now they raise their hand and said, yes, I want this free ebook, and yes, I'm willing to give you my email address to get it. Now they've indicated that they're interested. Then that also, the other thing that allows you to do is it allows you to follow up with those people to deliver additional content and also make offers. Now here's the really cool part, is that now you can start making offers, but you don't even have to have your own product or service to sell. You can do what's called affiliate marketing, which affiliate marketing is basically you referring people to a product, and it's tracked to you with an affiliate link so that you can get a commission when people buy through your link. That's a very simple process, and it's great because you don't have to do the customer service. You don't have to do the product development. All you have to do is be the person that's connecting people who have this problem to this product which solves their problem. You're just making the recommendation for the product so that they can actually go and find it and buy it. So now imagine this. Imagine that you have 5,000 people on your email list. You can send out an email now to 5,000 people recommending a product to them, a product that's helpful, a product that's valuable, and a product that you can earn a commission for. So let's just say that out of those 5,000 people, maybe only 1% of those people actually buy the product. But guess what? What's 1% of 5,000? I'm not good at math, but I think it's 50. Right? So 50 people buy, and how much is a product? I don't know. What's your commission? Let's say the commission is $25. So you just earn 25 times 50. Again, I'm not good at math. I don't even know what that is. What is it? Maybe I'll put it up on the screen when I figure it out. But 25 times 50 commissions you've earned from sending out one email to a list of 5,000 people. Imagine how powerful that is. So then the goal here would be to keep building that audience with content, get the people over from, say, YouTube or your blog or wherever to your email list, and then make offers to your email list and build up that email list so that you can market to more people. You can get your message out to more people. And it's pretty much money on demand when you have that email list. The more people you have on the email list, the more chances you have to have somebody on that list buy from you. So that really, in a nutshell, is how online affiliate marketing works. That's how you can build a business online from scratch, right from home, and you can do it part-time. You can create the content after your day job, after you get home from work, before you go to bed, or when you wake up in the morning before you go to work, you can create the content, and from there, build your audience, build your email list, and follow up with the email list to make those offers. So let me know in the comments if this is making sense for you, or if you have any questions about building an email list or building an audience. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you like this type of content, and we'll see you in the next video.